What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are trying a new adventure, you guys. I went to the Dollar Tree recently and I went a little crazy at the Dollar Tree, and I saw that they had curlers at the Dollar Tree. So I picked up some curlers. I picked up 3 packages of these pink ones and 3 of these blue ones, and I decided to try to do some Dollar Tree curls to see what the Dollar Tree has to offer for the hair, because I always go in and get makeup but I never look at anything else, and I do love the Dollar Tree. They have the best stuff for all $1. Some dollar stores say it's $1, but they're not. Everything isn't really $1. Dollar Tree, everything is $1. It's really awesome. I love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. So I thought we would try to do some Dollar Tree curls. It was a challenge and I just thought it'd be exciting, but obviously, as you guys can see, I think it turned out freaking good. So I'm really excited. So if you're new, make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you're notified of all my future videos. Also, you guys, give me suggestions down below of other Dollar Tree videos or just videos you'd like to see from me. But if you have any other Dollar Tree try it videos or anything like that, comment below and give me some ideas, some suggestions. I want to pick your brains. Let me pick your brains. Okay, also, you guys, I am doing a giveaway, so stay tuned to the end of the video. I'm gonna be giving away 2 of these sets of curlers and nail polish, so make sure you stay to the very end to know how to enter. It's super easy and I'm really excited to be doing another giveaway for you guys because you guys are amazing, and yeah, I think you guys are gonna really enjoy it. So I hope you guys like this video, and yeah, let's just get to it. Okay, so my hair is damp still. It's like almost dry, but it's damp still. So I'm just gonna get on started. I'm thinking the smaller ones up top, the looser ones in the bottom. And I'm gonna start with the Garnier Fruity Style Curl Treat Butter. It's the hydrating butter. I'm just gonna run that through my hair real quick, just so it can have something, I think. Just mostly the mid shaft to the ends. I'm gonna do that. I try to give it its best shot to get this Dollar Tree curls. I love the Dollar Tree, you guys. I just went today and I came out with 90 things. 90 things. 90. Anyways. I mean, I came out with 6 of these, so hopefully I have enough. I'm gonna comb through my hair so there's no tangles. And we're just going to start. I'll try to fast forward this. Or actually, I think I might just like do every other one big, every other one small throughout my whole hair so it's kind of even. And these are just like, you can bend them every which way, so that's kind of cool. So I'm gonna start out, and I guess I'll just talk through this. I'm just gonna kind of just wrap it around, and then I'm gonna I don't know what that is right there. Okay, so like that, I'm guessing. This is a real workout, guys. Okay, so it's hard to like keep them in. They want to kind of like fall. So I don't know how that's gonna work, but I'm gonna try to keep them in all night and sleep on them and see how they turn out in the morning. And we'll kind of look together and figure it out. Like you really have to like grab them tight. Like some of these at the bottom, like I really have to be good about grabbing them really tight. Okay, so I'm gonna sleep on this, you guys, and I'll show you guys what this Dollar Tree dealio looks like tomorrow morning. Wish me luck. Okay, here we go. So I woke up, started to do a little bit of my makeup, and this is kind of what has happened. They weren't as uncomfortable to sleep in as I thought they were going to be, and it's just like the bottom, this side that kind of like unraveled. One of them already came out, but that's it. So let's unravel them and let's see what we got. Dollar Tree, don't let me down! Dollar Tree! All right, let's just start. I mean, this is another one that kind of unraveled. Goodness. This is crazy right now. And very cute. Very cute. Okay, so we're done. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is literally craziness, but before I fix this up and we try to make this work, I'm gonna go take a couple pictures with the Golden Doodly Duo because it's funny that I look like this. And then we'll continue on. I think it's hilarious. So this is kind of what the situation is right now. So let's kind of deal with this. So I'm gonna kind of start breaking everything apart, but I'm gonna use the same butter. This is the Gardening Fructis Curl Treat butter. I'm just gonna grab like the littlest amount on my hands so I'm not just like making my hair really frizzy, because my hair is naturally really frizzy as it is. And I'm just gonna start kind of like tossing them around and kind of pulling on them and whatnot, because this is a craziness right now. It's so crazy how it looks. I also have the Proclaim Glossing Finish Frizz Eliminating Shiner. I really love this. You can get this at Sally's and it's so inexpensive. But you definitely don't want to use too much, because then, oh, I think I forgot one down back here. I forgot one. It definitely can get greasy if you use too much. So you definitely want to be really light, but my hair is naturally so dry that it's all right. Oh my word, it's getting crazy so quickly. All right, so I kind of am breaking these apart. And I'm trying to go really fast. I definitely would take better care of breaking them apart in a different time, but I have to take my son to the doctor, so I'm kind of a little bit late. I got carried away with my makeup look today. But this makeup look I did today, guys, this is literally like 30-minute makeup look. 30 minutes, guys. That's how long it took me. Maybe 20, 30 minutes to create this like look. So freaking easy. Anyways, breaking them apart. Okay, so I kind of made them super huge. It's super massive. I'm gonna kind of just tease a little bit of them to make them like look more rounded, especially these bottom ones that are like crazy. This actually doesn't look too bad. Like is it poofy? Yeah. Is it kind of very voluminous? Yeah, I'm kind of digging that look. Am I crazy that I like it this curly or what? Like, I think it looks really cute. Oh my gosh. I'm actually really digging it. These are kind of like the quick Dollar Tree curls, you guys. We got massive Dollar Tree curls. Okay, so I kind of like tousled it. So now I'm gonna add some of this Garni Fructis style Curl Treat, the jelly shaping. It's like a little bit of a gel, and I'm just gonna grab like the tiniest amount on my fingers and just kind of scrunch my hair, and like it helps to hold the curls. And I'm gonna grab some of these that are a little bit frizzy and kind of twist them the way they go so that they kind of go back to being a nice curl. And I think that, you know, if you grab a couple of like your curling iron and you just curl like a couple pieces, like this little piece right here that I'm trying to hide, that would make it even, this hairstyle even better. But if you don't want any heat, just being careful when you're applying it, because I'm not gonna lie, I was super tired, so I was just trying to do it like really quick. I really like it. I think it looks really, really cool. I really like it. I think it looks really, really nice. I don't know, what do you guys think? Comment below and tell me what you guys think, if you guys would try this. I love it. I actually really do love it. I love the crazy bouncy curls. Okay, so I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I think these Dollar Tree curling little things are a hit, you guys. I'm doing a giveaway, kind of like I told you guys in the beginning of the video. I'm gonna be giving away 2 of these like curling little kits. So there's 3 of these pink ones and 3 of these blue ones, 3 packets of these blue ones, and that's what I basically use on my whole hair. And I have medium thick hair and I have lots of hair, so you should be able, this should be enough for anyone that wants to do anyone that wins that wants to do their hair. And I think it's really, really cool. I'm also going to add in there one of these nail polishes. I got these in the Boxy Luxe